Hi folks, it's Ben here with Pierre Driving School. I often should I take driving lesson to pass my driver's test, my road test. All right, just a lot of students asking this question. I'm gonna answer it. Like I said, we will always answer all your videos all your question on the videos. If you like for us to do that, any question you have, you put in the comment below. All right. As when it comes to driving lesson to pass your road test, the answer to this is as often as your schedule allowing you to. Let me say it slow. You are often cannot take driving lesson to pass my driver's test, my DMV road test, is as often as your schedule and your package allowing it to. What I've always tell all students, driving is pragmatic. This is something you have to be doing it to get it, contrary from anything else where you can just read a book all night and have a fully understanding depending on your comprehension level of the book this next day. Contrary to driving, you have to take as much driving as you can get based on your schedule and your package size and time, because the better it is for you. All right, we have students asking, should I schedule 1 lesson a week, 2 lessons a week? We said as often as possible. The quicker you book the lesson, the closer you keep them together, the faster you get to take your road test and pass your road test. Now, after passing your road test, you can start spreading your driving, because that now is gonna be about building up skills and get some more driving training so you can be on a better ship. 2 different approach. All right, if it comes for you to learn how to drive to pass your road test, is as often as you can schedule those lessons as your schedule allowing you to. If you can do that, you will be in a good shape. If you cannot do that, then that's when it may take you a little bit longer to take your road test and pass. As you can schedule them. There is no really, when it comes down to learning how to drive, especially to take your road test, there's really no amount of lesson that you can take, is as many as you can afford. Whether it can be from a driving school or with families and friends that willing to contributing within those lessons. As long as you can get behind the steering wheel, driving as much as you can, that is way better for you. All right, so let me know if I answered this question the correct way to your liking, or if there is more you want me to answer. Like we always said, in this channel here, we are all about driving. If anything you want me to cover in particular, put it in the comment below. That's where we have most of our question coming from. If you have not met before, my name is Ben. I'm one of the instructors here at Pierre Driving School. If you're in the New York area, you want Pierre Driving School to help you, check out our website, pierrepauldraiving.com. You can get everything there for you to learn how to drive. We do have in this channel here in an early lesson every day at 6 a.m. That's most likely where we get most of our questions answered. All right, if you have a question in specific you want me to answer, put it there, put in the comment below. You will get your answer on the early morning lesson 110%. All right, after this we always go on with our regulars left and right. Let's start here. We're going to the right side, maybe right shoulder, I bring it in. We're going to go to our regulars left and right driving tips. Okay, so I'm looking here for a parking. Okay, let's go straight by the furthermore. We're looking left at this traffic light. We have to be aware on the closest left lane. Okay, then we're gonna wait for the light to clear the turn. All right, folks. Yes, anytime that you're doing anything contrary to going straight for the purpose of the road test, you must always signal all of your attention. There's no around it. All right, the minute you operate at this level, then passing your road test is just 1 appointment away. Because oftentimes we see a lot of students fail to understand that thinking that driving is just easy. They can just do whatever they want at the road test. The examiner will let them slide by. It doesn't go that way. If it was that easy, it would have not been making any sense for them to even have people making left turn here, me or left shoulder left. It would have not even made any sense for people to even have to watch over your driving, because it's that easy. That will be unnecessary for them to do. They are serious and there's specific thing they're looking for. If you cannot deliver at that level, you're not gonna be in good shape for your wood test. All right, folks. Let me see here. We're gonna do a parallel parking here. Let's see what happened here. Mirror right, shoulder right. We do a pull in. All right, folks. See how much we do a pull in. Nice and easy. We're doing a pull in. Okay. Things at the wood test they'll want you to do. See, I'm gonna fall back here. Wait for my traffic in front of me to clear. Then I'm gonna reverse. Make sure I'm rushing at my clear. Let me tell you to do it that way. As I'm talking about the wood test, now that's you parking on the regular. After you get your license, you pick up some skills. Okay. You start doing those type of parking. All right. We're gonna pull in here. Make sure we completely straight at the bare minimum. I want it to be. Okay, then we're gonna park right over here. All right, folks, there you have it. All right, here at Pierre Driving School, anything you want us to cover for you, in particular regarding driving, check our website, pierredriving.com. If you're in the metropolitan area, we cover all those areas as well. We have no issue to get you your everything there for you to do in order for you to not only pass on your wood test, and to also be safe on the road, because above all, driving requires some strong responsibility. It is our duty to make sure that we get as much training as we can get to be safe while we're on the road. Until then, folks, keep practicing. This has been here with Pierre Paul. This has been here with Pierre Paul Driving. This has been with Pierre Paul Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye. We're gonna wait for our student here gonna come here to get a lesson. I'm excited each time I'm doing a lesson. I wanna be doing a lesson with you. If you're in the New York area, go in the comment below. Check our website, pierredriving.com. Until then, take care now. Bye-bye.